silence of the morning, before the thunder starts to roar, I can feel the highway calling, like it's done so many times before.